this is from the door. This is my stove. You can see all the settings here. They actually have a lock on the stove so that it doesn't accidentally get turned on. But basically to unlock, you hold that down. To power, you hold that down, and then you have your adjustments. My sink, I have a huge sink. I have all of my mugs lined up here and my shaker bottle for when I work out. All of my cleaning products are under here, including my giant honey and my giant coffee. My table is a pull-out table so that it doesn't take up much space, so I can push it back in. I have all of my pots and pans under here. I do have an electric kettle, I have a pan, and I have a pot and a strainer. And then I have some containers that I brought for my lunchbox. So I brought a lunchbox. I do eat lunch at school, but I eat a lot. So I have things that I put in here and take with me. This is my drying rack. I have all of my snacks up here. I tend to snack a lot more than I eat actual meals. So I have lots of rice, I have some oatmeal, I have lots of tea and peanut butter. All of my tea is over here, my vitamins. I do have a microwave. It is on my desk right now. I've decorated the walls a little bit. We have a common area in our downstairs area that has a ton of books, so I've commandeered a few to put with my own. They have the cutest stationery here. I got this super cute pencil case with a journal by the same company. Hair clips are a huge thing here. I bought 2 of these. It's really humid, so that's really nice. I have my radio, my yoga mat. This is my bed. So I did buy this comforter. It's very cute, and I do have a bed mat also. My view is not spectacular, but I do get a lot of light in the mornings, so that's really nice. Under my bed, I have my weights. This was an extra comforter that was already in the room when I got here, but I've been using it as a second blanket because I like to be really warm. This is my plushie cat. I named him Balloon. He is a great cuddle bug, and I got him at a store in the mall called Butter. This is a stool acting as my end table currently. I have had a hard time finding matches for some reason. My closet is huge. On this side, I have all of my pants, backpacks, my protein powder, my extra bags that I brought, and this is my luggage, my vacuum cleaner that I bought, and some other things that need to be recycled that don't have space right now because it's not recycling day. I have a lot of extra hangers, and that's my travel backpack. On this side, I have all of my shirts. I have my drying rack for when I do laundry. This is all of my cleaning cloths, and down here is like my sock drawer. I do have a little rack here for my coat. This is my catch-all closet. I have some recyclables in there. I have all my shoes. I have my Swiffer. This is my washing machine. I've only been in my apartment for like a week and a half, and I regret to say I have not done laundry yet, but we don't have dryers, so the drying rack, after I do my laundry, everything will hang on that. This is my thermostat, so to turn on the hot water and the floor, you'll just turn it on. I don't keep it on during the day because I don't need it. I'm not here. These are for all of my individual lights, so I can turn on each section of the room from there. This is a control that I have not used yet, but basically if for some reason something were dropped off and I need to buzz someone in from the front door, I can do that from here. I can supposedly call the police. I am not going to try that. And if someone needs to, if I want to see someone from my door, I can buzz them in. This is my refrigerator, the whole thing. So I have some random stuff in there right now. You cannot recycle. Most things get recycled, but there are certain things, even food waste, that can't be recycled. So those get put in a separate container, and on trash day, they get put out in their own bag. I have some different little sauces and stuff in here. This is my freezer area. I have lots of this chicken that I ordered. That's good when I get off of school late. I have strawberries, ice cream, and more chicken. This is all of my recycling right now. So recycling has to be separated into different categories. So all of your paper goes in one bag. You have all of your other plastics together, and then your PET and peat plastics, styrofoam, everything pretty much gets recycled. This is my acting laundry basket currently. I haven't purchased one, so that's just where everything's going. This is my exhaust fan and my light for my bathroom. So this is my bathroom. You do have shower shoes. There is a divider in my shower, but the floor does not transition. So basically this floor still gets wet and it gets really, really humid. So I usually open all of the windows when I'm using the shower. I have a pretty good organizer here on the wall. So these are my shower shoes. When I get out of the shower, I put these on so that my feet don't keep getting wet on the floor. Here is my outlet. All of the outlets have outlet covers in bathrooms. And then this part pulls down, and I've got all of my skin products in there. Anytime that you go to a beauty store, this is my hair dryer and straightener. Anytime that you go to a beauty store and purchase things, they give you a ton of samples. So basically I have an entire second skincare set just based off of samples. This is my sink area and my shower. So I have a good organizer in the corner and a huge shower head I'm so excited about. I do have a window in my shower. I keep it open to air things out. And then I also have this organizer that I hung on the back of my door for all of my other miscellaneous things. This was in my room when I got here, which I'm really excited about. I keep all of my other workout things in there, and all of my stickers and paper and notebooks in this drawer. I have a lot already, and I've barely been here. I do keep my printout of my garbage disposal items on the wall for reference. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'm going up, but I'll see you next time.